She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
We're your hosts tonight. We are your rest of everything, basically. It's just us and the chef. What we're going to do first...
Okay, where is the first animal that we're gonna meet? A couple birds.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her.
Yummy.
What we gonna do tonight, Saul?
I'm gonna go for a walk, see the animals,
And
and then sleep.
sleep. Okay, interesting.
Oh.
Okay, cool.
I got a little.
Okay, the tour is tough. I don't.
tonight. So these guys are really cool. They eat really big prey. So when these guys get fed, they will eat a whole goat, to be honest, once every couple of months. So a really big goat. And what they're doing right now, you can see that amazing tongue coming out, actually tasting the air. So tongue goes out, gets off.
I don't need your shit no more, no more. I'm just letting you know. I can see the bright blue skies now that you're gone. I don't need a goddamn
Being our female eldest Nakuru. That one's Clintoon, our male, and our youngest little girl Iris is 3 years old in her den just back there. So really, really cool species. The collective now, those heads and those necks combined are about 3 or 400 kilos. There's a lot of horse behind that. But we just reopened this area. This didn't have koalas for a very long time. But now houses wonderful Adam, who's having a great sleep there. Adam was rescued from the bushfires in 2019. He's been off the plate for a while, recuperating, recovering, and now he's a male southern.
I wake up in the morning, open the shades, letting on the light in.
Look at that
Sun
family.
is shining. I can smell the coffee you made me. The songs that you've been singing tell me how much you love me. You love me. I don't wanna go to work when you're wearing my shirt. Need more than a weekend to be here, and I'm feeling like I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Every day I wake up, you're my ocean view. I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Every day I wake up on an island for two. Need more than a weekend to be here, and I'm feeling like I'm on vacation when I'm with you. Every day I wake up, you're my ocean view. I'm on vacation when I'm
Oh,
Okay.
so strong.
It's just you and me.
Wow.
My